Hello everyone and welcome to the Cottages.
The channel where we take 10 bob and a can-do attitude to restore our cottage.
Although this time we're actually spending quite a bit of money.
What? Do you need to lie down for a bit?
Yeah, I probably do. We're also going to be doing a better job
Smells like the hemp burning.
of the hemp render inside the kitchen than we did last time.
Promise.
Yeah.
And that starts by mixing it outside. But there's some things I need to sort out first.
So I've been making some quality of life improvements around us. So extra lights in this room where we're doing the wiring and the plastering. I've also got lights going up into the landing so we can actually walk around without tripping up. Oh yeah?
Hello, this is our kitchen that we've been living with for the last year and a quarter.
Yep, and just one light.
Yep, see how the room is. My rather messy tables I haven't yet washed up for today.
Oh yeah, it's
Yep.
pretty dark, pretty
Yep.
dingy.
Ready?
Go on, yep. Woo! Oh,
Switch off again. It's like, oh, how
Yeah, yeah.
darkness.
and now we might even be able to tidy up properly and see what's happening.
Oh no, it's still dirt now.
Yeah. We've also got some lights that I've put out in the back kitchen. So we've got some fairy lights so we can actually see what's happening. Those are just on a battery because we haven't got any power out here anymore.
Now let's try applying some more of that insulating hemp plaster.
Can I have a little go just to compare it to the last time? See how it feels different?
I mean, sure, it'll be very insulating this different.
Yeah, that's right. This one will be more insulating.
It's just there's not enough binder in there.
So I don't think you'll be able to like smooth it out. I think you do have to put it on at the thickness you want it to be and then layer it up rather than put a big clump on and then try and squish it. But I think it does need more lime.
Normally people would do all of the first fix wiring before plastering.
Here it goes. Let's try this one.
But with a fixed budget and a water heater to install on top of the plaster, that's not really an option for us.
But I'd still go for small amounts. I would still just do like the one bit you want first. Yeah, that's it. That seems to stick a bit better, does it?
It does. Yeah, that's better.
I'll get you more of that.
In general, during this session it went much smoother than last time, which is a great relief.
Oh, my arms are really going to ache. Yeah, I still think it's probably a bit too hempy. It would be easier if it's a bit more limey, although
It's better for insulator.
I know, it's
Yeah.
difficult, isn't it?
I think it's good. I think as it is, it's good.
You like
It
it?
is sticking to the wall.
Okay.
We also don't feel like we need to wet the wall before plastering this time because we've actually lime washed the wall ahead of time, and that makes it easier for the lime plaster to bind to the lime wash. We've also installed this waste pipe to go through the wall back to where the old soil pipe drained from the bathroom. And then I quickly capped off the pipe with some old broken bits of slate and some lime mortar. Again, this is one of those temporary quick fixes that I'm happy to leave relatively rough. And talking of relatively rough,
Hello.
Sorry, I was slept again.
Did you? Oh, that's good.
Oh, you put the thing on.
Only just now, a minute ago.
Thank you for doing that. Oh.
Sorry, this is a working environment. I did a filling in the gaps coat to, I don't know if you can see, it's much more level now than it was. And now I'm doing the like smooth coat.
I'm sorry, I've not been very
There might be some water in the kettle. Oh, don't worry about that. I know how it feels. I was in that place last week. Sleeping is the best thing you can possibly do.
just watching Lydia, it's clear that she's incredibly happy doing this sort of thing.
Drags it off really easily if I get slightly too thin.
Drags it off the wood.
Yeah, because the wood's so smooth, so it's not sticking well to the wood. It's really easy for it to just get dragged off.
We could use something for that, couldn't we?
What, Hessian? But I think I've managed without it.
After all that plastering, it's time to install the new copper water pipe and send it to the temporary location for our new washing machine, and then through here to the water heater. That's a lot of sunshine. Good morning, sunshine. The world is waiting for you to randomly shine in this room for the first time in months. I've spoiled my shot.
We haven't had the best track record with plumbing so far, so we're a bit anxious about what's about to happen.
Oh, I tighten it fully. I need to get the angle right. Yeah, that'll do.
Getting it wrong around the water heater could be quite an expensive mistake.
Right.
So we now want to flush this through. So if I just open this tap and fill the bucket.
Yeah.
We're very carefully checking and watching everything to make sure that there are no leaks.
Seems pretty good to me.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
It's not been so dramatic, has it?
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Didn't want drama. Okay, do you want to move the sink over?
Well, do you want to run it through the water heater first?
Or just with the bucket?
With the bucket, yeah.
Yeah, do you want to read the instructions? Are you happy that it just said turn it on and off at least 15 times over 3 minutes?
15 times?
Yeah, to get the water to keep flushing to make sure there's no air.
Good morning, sunshine. The world is waiting for you. Just waiting for you. Good morning, sunshine. There's so much we can do. One step at a time, we'll make it through. Good morning, sunshine.
Right, shall we connect up to some taps?
It's true.
Ready? Well, we're going to have to move out again to the kitchen, aren't we?
Oh yeah, sure.
Put on
It's
your
already a temporary
favorite
measure.
shoes.
And it won't go all the way back.
There.
Birds
That's
are
that.
singing sweetly. Who could ask for more?
Oh, so annoying. Look, that one goes that way and that one goes that way when it's off.
What?
That's off for this one.
What? That shouldn't be off. That's weird.
Well, no, it's just because this isn't switched on. Let me switch that one on.
Alright.
So that's what the flow rate is.
That's fine.
That's alright, isn't it?
Shall we turn it off?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think we really want that. And we're just going to be careful this week to not get any water on the
Yeah. It's finally done. It's finally done.
Yay, we've got some kitchen plumbing.
Because we care so much about concealing our wires, we've constructed some wooden trunking to go down to light switches and to various other places in the kitchen.
So just wiping it with a bit of sort of paint and oil helps it to blend in a little bit more with the background. I might do another coat just to make it even more aged, but it will age and darken itself naturally, so hopefully just gives it a bit of a head start. You'll notice that the lines look a bit wonky on camera here, and that's actually because the panelling for the staircase, that's not straight. So, old house. But it would have been odd, I think, if I'd replicated the off plumbness of the panelling with the run for the cables. So it's just another quirk of an old building.
Another quirk is the requirement to use these old floorboards to basically clean up, paint and attach to the space between the joists in the ceiling. And this will allow us to hang the pendant lights in quite a rustic way.
Right, let's spin it round then. That's it. It's amazing how much difference it makes when you can see what you're doing. Right, thank you very much.
Yeah, so it's an exciting day. It's the morning of the day that the electrician finally comes.
Yeah, electrician's coming this afternoon, and
Yeah.
we're really hoping that he'll just agree that we've done it all correctly, connect the wires up, switch it on, and we'll have a light. And hot water. And sockets.
Yeah, so we're praying pretty hard that that's actually going to happen. And that
Yeah.
we've done the right thing.
Yeah, hoping we haven't made any mistakes, aren't we?
Yeah. Right, wish us luck. I know we've done a lot of research, but it feels quite tense. It's like an exam. Heidi, it's a bit scary, isn't it?
I will listen for the word in the wind, the word that carries far, the words the lovers are in tune to the word. I listen to the word in the wind.
So the electrician's been, and things are working. And we now, for the first time in nearly 18 months of living here, probably what, 30, well, anyway, we have some running water, hot and cold running water. So this is the heater. Oh, that's nice and warm. We have a water heater that lets you wash your hands. Oh, it's amazing. So you do that. Lovely. Get some soap. Oh, modern conveniences. Isn't this incredible, Lydia?
But you wanted to live the cottage away, Jay.
Well, yeah, we do, but it doesn't necessarily mean that we don't want to be hygienic. Wonderful. I'm not going to touch the light switch with wet fingers, but wow, this is great.
What's your favourite bit?
My favourite bit, probably the lamps. We've got loads of work now to do to work out, exactly what bulbs we want, colour temperatures and brightness, etc. But we can see into different areas
The dark corners.
that previously it was impossible
Look at that.
to actually see into. So yeah, we have this in the wood store, which will be the pantry one day, and then in here. Oh, this is going to be embarrassing, but we've never had to worry about this before.
Oh, dumping ground under the stairs cupboard.
Absolutely, and everyone wants a good light to be able to see the mess under the cupboard under the stairs.
Yeah.
But wow, it's been quite the journey getting here, and we've been exhausted, pretty run down, and we've finally done it. I mean, it was worth persevering with, because there's this feeling like it's turned a corner now. The house has turned a corner. We've got some basic services finally installed. Hot running water, amazing. And we'll be charting a course over the rest of the winter of improved comfort, which is quite reassuring, as I'm sure you'll agree. Thank you very much for watching all of this. It's been quite the journey. Take care.